Artificial intelligence, AI, offers incredible benefits, from personalized recommendations to advanced healthcare solutions. However, as AI technology evolves, so do the threats associated with it. Protecting your family from these new AI threats is crucial. This guide will help you understand the risks and how to safeguard both your children and yourself. Understanding AI threats. AI threats come in various forms, including privacy breaches, cyber attacks, and misinformation. Here are some common AI-related risks. 1. Privacy invasion. AI systems often require access to personal data to function effectively. This data can be misused if not properly secured. 2. Cybersecurity risks. AI can be used by hackers to develop sophisticated cyber attacks, making it harder to protect sensitive information. 3. Deepfakes and misinformation. AI-generated content, such as deepfakes, can spread false information and create confusion. 4. Bias and discrimination. AI systems can perpetuate biases present in their training data, leading to unfair treatment. 5. Over-reliance on AI. Excessive dependence on AI for critical decisions can lead to problems if the AI systems fail or make errors. Steps to protect your kids and yourself. 1. Educate your family. AI awareness. Teach your family about AI and its potential risks. Explain how AI works and the importance of being cautious with personal information. Recognize threats. Help your children identify potential threats, such as phishing attempts, fake profiles, and misleading content. 2. Enhance online privacy. Strong passwords. Use strong, unique passwords for all online accounts and encourage your children to do the same. Consider using a password manager to keep track of them. Privacy settings. Regularly review and update the privacy settings on social media platforms, apps, and devices to limit data sharing. Limit data sharing. Be mindful of the personal information you share online. Teach your children to avoid sharing sensitive details, such as their location, school, or personal photos. 3. Implement cybersecurity measures. Antivirus software. Install reputable antivirus software on all devices and keep it updated to protect against malware and cyber attacks. Firewalls. Use firewalls to prevent unauthorized access to your network and devices. Regular updates. Ensure that all software, including operating systems and apps, are regularly updated to patch security vulnerabilities. 4. Monitor and control AI. Use parental controls. Utilize parental control features on devices and apps to monitor your children's online activities and restrict access to inappropriate content. AI tools and apps. Research and select AI-powered tools and apps carefully. Ensure they come from trusted sources and have robust security measures in place. 5. Stay informed and vigilant. Current threats. Stay updated on the latest AI threats and cybersecurity trends. Follow reputable tech news sources and cybersecurity experts. Scams and phishing. Educate your family about common scams and phishing techniques. Encourage them to verify the authenticity of messages and links before clicking on them. 6. Foster critical thinking. Evaluate information. Teach your children to critically evaluate the information they encounter online. Encourage them to check multiple sources and question the credibility of content. Recognize deepfakes. Help your family understand what deepfakes are and how to identify them. Look for inconsistencies in videos and verify content from trusted sources. 7. Ethical AI use. Discuss ethics. Talk about the ethical use of AI and the importance of fairness and transparency. Explain the potential biases in AI systems and how they can impact decisions. Promote responsible behavior. Encourage responsible behavior when using AI tools. Remind your children to use AI in ways that are respectful and beneficial to others. Safety tips for AI devices. AI-powered devices like smart speakers and home assistants are becoming increasingly popular. Here are some tips to keep them secure. Secure networks. Ensure your home Wi-Fi network is secure with a strong password and encryption. Disable features. Turn off features you don't use, such as voice purchasing or location tracking. Regular audits. Periodically check the devices for unusual activity or unauthorized access. Review and delete old recordings or data stored by the device. Factory resets. When disposing of or selling an AI device, perform a factory reset to erase all personal data. Conclusion: AI brings many advantages, but it also introduces new risks that require proactive measures to ensure the safety of your family. By educating your children, enhancing online privacy, implementing robust cybersecurity measures, and staying informed, you can protect your family from AI-related threats. Remember, fostering critical thinking and ethical use of AI will help your children navigate the digital world responsibly and safely. Together, we can embrace the benefits of AI while mitigating its risks. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with other parents. We love hearing from you, so leave a comment with your questions or share your experiences with AI safety. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Let's work together to keep our families safe in the AI-driven world.